Apple AirPods Pro, second generation, sold by Amazon.com. Experience richer audio with the Apple-designed H2 chip for intelligent noise cancellation. Enjoy up to 2x more active noise cancellation for a focused listening experience. Customize your fit with 4 pairs of silicone tips for all-day comfort. AirPods Pro and the MagSafe charging case are IP54 dust, sweat, and water resistant. Personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking delivers an immersive sound experience. Control playback with touch control on the stem for easy volume and mode adjustments. Get up to 6 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation enabled.
Hey, did you notice how comfortable these earbuds are? They seem to fit perfectly, and the sound quality is just amazing with those clear mids and deep bass. The noise cancellation works really well too, even in noisy environments like airports.
Yeah, but don't you think the price is a bit steep? I mean, they are quite expensive compared to other wireless earbuds on the market, and while they work flawlessly with Apple devices, they're not as versatile with non-Apple gadgets.
True, but the integration with Apple's ecosystem is seamless. I love how they automatically connect with my iPhone and other Apple devices, and the MagSafe charging case is super convenient. It's nice to have wireless charging that aligns perfectly.
But speaking of the case, I wish it were more durable. The glossy finish seems prone to scratches, and although it's water resistant, it doesn't feel like it could withstand a drop very well.
Well, overall, I think they're worth it if you're already in the Apple ecosystem. They offer a premium experience with excellent sound quality and features, even if the price and some minor durability issues might be a downside.
In summary, the Apple AirPods Pro, second generation, is a top choice for those seeking a blend of quality, convenience, and advanced features in a compact, stylish package. However, potential buyers should consider the price and their primary use case, especially if they are not heavily invested in the Apple ecosystem. Rated 4.5 stars. Order today for a special price. Link is in the description below. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.